Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add Eternity to Trust Wallet in just a few simple steps. Whether you are new to crypto or already experienced, this guide will make it easy. Let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen. Just simply click on this icon. Now click on search bar and search for Eternity. Once you find it, now toggle this option over here. Now go back to your Trust Wallet home screen and scroll down where you can see your Eternity coin over here. Now just simply click on it. Once you click on it, now click on receive. Once you click on it, you will be provided with unique address code. With the help of this address, you will be able to receive Eternity coin. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add Eternity coin into your Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.